If you haven't watched part 1 of this series, please see link in the description below or click the thumbnail at the end of this video. After 9 weeks from leaf propagation, let's see the results. The roots are bigger but no new pups. This one have a tiny pup growing. If you can see this white thing I encircled, that's the pup. This one also have a tiny pup growing. This one only have roots. Wow, this one got a pup. Again, only roots in this one. And this one too, just roots. This one have a tiny pup. These are all the leaves with pups. And these 4 only have roots. Let's compare it side by side. This is how they look like after 9 weeks. Now, let's put it back and continue the experiment. Let's water them again. This time, we need to start introducing them to direct sunlight. This process is called acclimation. Please click the thumbnail at the end of this video about acclimation. After 12 weeks, a new baby plant started to emerge. Now, let's see how many have grown a new plant, also called a pup. This one have grown a pup. And this one too have grown a pup. This one just roots. And this one too have a pup. And another one have a pup. Wow, this one have really grown a new plant. And this one too have grown 3 pups. This one only have roots. So all in all, we have 6 leaves that have grown pups. And 2 leaves that just have roots. Now, let's compare them side by side. Here's the result after 12 weeks. After 37 weeks, see how big they've grown. This time, I will not take them out of the pot, as we already know they have roots and pups. Please watch the next video where I have repotted these guys after 1 year and 5 months. Please subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!
Mm-hmm.